In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of having no iCloud backups available for this version of software. We'll walk through some reliable steps to get your device back on track. Let's dive right in. First, it's crucial to ensure your device is running the latest iOS. New updates often bring improved compatibility and fixes for known issues, including those related to iCloud backups. To check for the latest iOS, head over to Settings on your device, then tap on General, followed by Software Update. If an update is available, make sure to install it. By doing so, you ensure that any older backups you're trying to restore have the necessary support from your device's iOS version. Next, it's important to understand iCloud backup compatibility. iCloud backups made on newer iOS versions have been specifically tailored for that version and unfortunately can't be restored on devices running older software. If you're facing trouble, you might need to update your device so that its software matches the version used to create the backup. This ensures a seamless restoration process without any compatibility issues. After ensuring compatibility, let's check iCloud storage and the status of your backup. Go into Settings, tap on your name at the top of the screen, go into iCloud, then Manage Storage and select Backups. Here, you should see a list of available backups. Make sure the backup you're hoping to restore is listed here. If not, you may need to double check your iCloud settings or initiate a new backup to capture all recent data on your device. Now, if everything seems correct but you're still unable to access your backup, a simple re-login might do the trick. Navigate to Settings again, tap on your name and scroll down to find and select Sign Out. Once you've signed out, restart your device and sign back into iCloud. This can refresh your connection and often resolves the issue of unrecognizable backups. Finally, if you're restoring your device and nothing has worked so far, you can try resetting your device and starting from scratch. You can do so by going to Settings, General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, and selecting Erase all content and settings. After the device erases and you're setting it up again, you'll see the option to Restore from iCloud Backup. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with this option. And there you have it. By carefully following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of iCloud backups not appearing for your current software version. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.